Hello, friend. We're going to pull the old window tint out of the Deetle today since I've got some new window tint coming. Before we can put in the new stuff, we've got to try and pull out the old stuff. I've never done window tint before, so this is going to be a learning experience for both of us. But first, I'm kind of hungry. That's good. Let's get the car in and get started. All right, let's make some room. So I have plugged in and stretched over the heat gun. This is just a cheap one, but we're going to apply a little bit of heat. I'm going to take a razor blade and hopefully peel off some of this old window tint. So we're in the car. I'm in the back of the car here. I've got my heat gun. We're going to try a little bit of low heat and see if we can't get this stuff to warm up so it can start peeling. That is one window, needs to be cleaned, but the tint is removed. Let's do the other side. The other side had big gaps and spots in it. This one, pretty clean. We're gonna have to try and cut a section in the middle without actually gouging the window. But first, we're gonna put some heat on it, just like the other side. Got a little bit on the bottom, right in here, this corner and this corner to go. Perfect. Need to clean it, but that's all the tint. All right, here we are on the back glass. If you notice, there are some defrost lines in through here, runs the entire length of the glass. We're gonna have to be a lot more careful not to damage any of those lines or my rear defroster will no longer work. As you can see, it's still dirty. Need to clean it, but that is all the film off. Ready for a new tint job. We'll start this week. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, learned a little something. I'll see you next time.